Hello, welcome back. If you're not new to here, welcome back. Hi. If you are new here, my name is Linnea and I live in the suburbs, and we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient where we can garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes and that kind of stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, thanks for being here. So today we're not canning, but we are doing gardening things. I don't know if you can tell, I got my Halloween mugs back there because Halloween can't come fast enough because it's hot outside. But I have some tomatoes back there. I have some tomatoes in the sink. Yeah, I have a lot of tomatoes in the sink, but I don't have enough to like can my pasta sauce. But I have enough to make pasta sauce that I can stick in the fridge and we can eat it next week. Because in our house, we eat pasta one time a week and we have already had it this week. So I'm gonna make the pasta sauce today and I'm gonna show you all how, but we're not gonna eat it today. We're gonna eat it next week, but come along with me and let's make some pasta sauce, okay? Also, just occurred to me, this is not the shirt to wear while messing with tomatoes and making pasta sauce. So I'm gonna change and I'll be right back. I changed into a red shirt, so if I get tomatoes all over me, it's like camouflage. The recipe that I am making is the roasted garlic Roma tomato sauce recipe. I'm not canning it like I've said, but it is the recipe that I'm going to follow. And if you all want to can your sauce, then you just have to look this up on the internet and it will tell you how to properly can it. So this is, it does say Roma tomato sauce, but I don't have a bunch of Romas. I have a bunch of heirloom tomatoes and it's gonna work just fine. It's gonna be a little juicy, take a little longer, it'll be fine. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut up all these tomatoes, put them on a baking tray, whatever it's called, cookie sheet, and put it in the oven at 350 for like 35-40 minutes until the skins act like they want to come off. And then I'm also going to take one head of garlic, put some olive oil on it, wrap it up, put that in the oven for about 30 minutes so it gets nice and soft. So that's what we're doing. These cooked for like an hour and they destroyed my oven. And there's one of you that knows what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is take the skins off, and then I'm going to take these and kind of put them in this strainer over here because they're not like all Amish paste Roma tomatoes. They're very juicy. So I'm going to strain them and like get as much liquid out as possible, and then I will transfer them to my pot. So we're just going to take skins off right now. And I guarantee you all of this will make like maybe 1 pint of pasta sauce, which is fine. That's really all we need for next week anyways. So, yep. Alright, so I put like a teaspoon of olive oil in here, and I started just cooking this basically entire onion. And I am fully aware, I'm just doing it like this. I'm fully aware that I could use a food mill, and I would if I were actually canning this, but this is like a single batch of pasta sauce for us, like as in one meal, and it is not worth my hassle to get out my food mill and get all the seeds out because I got the skins off. So, you know, that's my opinion on it. You can do what you want. So basically, I just put it through the strainer and got as much liquid out as possible. So I'm gonna cook it for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna get my like stand blender thing out and actually blend it up into a sauce. And I am gonna add my garlic that I put in the oven. You know, I could wait till it cooled off, but I'm not doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna let this cook for like 10 minutes, then I'll blend it up, and then I do have some oregano and basil that I'm gonna add along with some salt. So I will be back in like 10 minutes. All right, I went out into the garden, and this is purple basil, and I picked some oregano. So I'm just gonna chop it up and then add it to the sauce, and then we're gonna blend the sauce. You can add whatever spices you want. Herbs, whatever. Herbs. Alright, now I'm about to make a mess. I'm sure of it, but... Alright, last step. I'm going to add some salt to my taste, and then I'm going to put it in a jar and put it in the fridge. Also, I know this sauce is a little bit thick, but it's really good when you add like pasta water to it. It's really good. We also use it for pizza sauce. Also really good. So that's that. And I'm very sorry that we're not going to try it for you. You just have to trust me that it's really good. But yeah, like I said, we only eat pasta once a week. And that day was Monday. And today is Thursday. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna end this video here while I do this. But like I said, if you want to can this, you do have to add lemon juice or citric acid to it, but you can just look the recipe up online. But yeah, obviously it's not worth my time to can 1 quart of pasta sauce, but it was worth my time to actually make it, so there's that. If you guys made it this far, thank you for watching. Hope you're having a good day. I am, even though it's hot out, and I can't wait for fall. But yeah, so I'm just gonna end the video here. So the next video, I actually think, wow, is it blurry? Probably. Story of my life. The next video, I think, is going to be breakfast pizza on the uni, because we've been wanting to try it, so I think we are going to do that this weekend. So, if that's something you're interested in, come back and check it out. I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!